Hello students, welcome to your new video class. Today we will discuss another 3 to 4 numbers related to your board exam important questions. Okay, so first one is question is see the question. What the question asks, if the point it is from coordinate geometry, okay, so sum of the if the point if the point C, okay, having ordinates -1 2 divides internally the line segment joining A and B, the line A with coordinates 2 5 and B x y in the ratio 3:4, in the ratio 3:4. So find the ordinates of B. Find the ordinates of B. Okay. So this is type of question, and which formula will be applied here? Can you see? Let's draw the diagram first. The diagram is like this. See, if the point C divides internally, the line segment A and B having C -1 and 2 ordinates, and A with 2 5 and B with x y, we have to calculate the ordinates of B. That means x and y. Okay, in the ratio 3:4, that means 3:4. Okay, so this is the value. This is the which formula will be applied here? The section formula. The section formula says, what is the section formula? Section formula, the value, the ordinates -1 2 is equal to which one? mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, and my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. This is the section formula. Okay, so what is m and n? This is m, this is n. This is x1 and y1. This is x2 and y2. Okay, and this is the value I have written in the beginning. This is the value, the point that divides the line segment AB, means this is the calculated value. Okay, we have to just put the value as per our the formula says. So what is m? M is 3. Okay, the ratio is m:n. From this section formula, mn is the ratio itself, and the first point is x1 y1, second point is x2 y2, and the point of intersection is -1 2. What is the value itself in the LHS? Okay, so from the given data in the question, you have to decide which data will be equal to which value of this formula. Okay, so mx2, what is m? 3. 3 into x2. x2 is x plus nx1. n is 4. x1. x1 is 2. Okay, by m plus n. 3 plus 4. This is my2. m is 3. y2 is y itself, we have to calculate. N is 4, y1 is 5 by m plus 1 t plus 4. Okay, so minus 1, 2. This value is equal to minus 1, and this value is equal to 2. Okay, so 3 into x, 3x plus 4 to 8 by 7, 3y, 4, 5 yeah, 20 by 7. Okay, could you follow this line? So this is equal to minus 1 and this will be equal to plus 2. Very easy to calculate. So now I can write, hence 3x plus 8 by 7 equal to, first ordinates minus 1, and 3y plus 20 by 7 equal to 2. Okay, now calculate. 3x plus 8 equal to 7 into minus 1, minus 7. Similarly, 3y plus 20 equal to 2 into 7. Okay, so now calculate here. Okay, let's calculate here. Three x equal to minus 7 minus 8. This minus 8 goes here by changing its sign, plus to minus. That's why 3x equal to minus 7 minus 8 will be how much? Both are minus, so they will be added with a minus sign, 15. So x equal to minus 15 by 3. 3 is multiplied here, it will be divided here, minus 5. This is one answer. Okay, another is, see, 3y plus 20 equal to 14, 2, 4, 7 is 14. 3y equal to 14 minus 20. Okay. 3y equal to 14 minus 20, how much? Minus 6. Y equal to minus 6 divided by, this will be multiplied here, this will be divided in the other side. Okay, minus 2. This is one answer, this is one answer. So, the ordinates of B is what? Minus 5, minus 2. This is minus 5, minus 2. Okay, let's go to the next question answer. Okay, find, it is from statistics. Another number, let's calculate from the chapter statistics. Find the mean. It is very easy process. If you are getting a mean question, the question regarding mean, then you are lucky, because it takes some time, but it is a mark fetching question answer. Okay, so the question is like this: find mean. Okay. Class and frequency. Class interval. Okay, class and frequency is given. Okay, so 3 to 5, frequency is 5. 5 to 7, frequency is 10. 7 to 9, frequency is 10. 9 to 11, frequency is 7. And 11 to 13, frequency is 8. So, in case of class interval, generally the midpoint is taken because there are two numbers are there. So, the leadership will be taken by the midpoint m. Okay. So, what will the midpoint of 3 to 5? L1 plus L2 by 2. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 by 2, 4. Similarly, 7 plus 5, 12. 12 by 2, 6. 9 plus 7 by 2, 8. 9 plus 11, 20 by 2, 10. 13 plus 11, 24 by 2, 12. Okay. So just calculate one. 3 plus 5 by 2, or the middle term, it is already understood that it will be 4. Then don't calculate this one, just add the gap. Okay. So what is the gap here? 2. So just add 2 and add the next numbers. Okay. So this will be the frequency and this will be the midpoint. So f into m. Okay. What will be? 5 4 ja 20, 10 6 ja 60, 10 8 ja 80, 10 7 ja 70, 12 8 ja 96. Okay. So make the frequency. This is the denominator part. This will be denominator part. This will be numerator part for the calculation of mean. Just add them. 6, 9 7, 16, 16, 8, 24, 30, 32. And this is 25 and 15, 40. Okay. So mean will be equal to, this is sigma fm, this is sigma fm by sigma f. Whatever you denoted here, suppose you have denoted this one as x. So f into x, this will be sigma fx, this will be sigma fx by sigma f. If you denoted it as y, so f into y, so sigma fy by sigma f. This must not be changed. This will be always fixed sigma f. And this will be changed as per your symbolized here. Whatever symbolized you have given here, according to this term will be written sigma f, that term. Okay. So 326 by 40. Okay. How much? Calculate. 326 by 40 will be how much? 4 8 ja 32, 6, 4 1 ja 2, 4 5 ja. Okay. 8 15. After dividing by 4, I will get this one. After again I will divide by 10, this will be this one. So just divide. You can all divide it. So divide it separately in your rough work and write the answer here. Okay. Let's calculate another number of same statistics. Find mode. Mode. How to find mode? Do you know the formula for mode? Mode is equal to, always remember, the lower limit of modal class divided by f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus how much? f0 minus f2. Okay. So I am telling what will be, what is f1, what is f0, what is f1, what is f2. I am calculating, or I am telling you with the example given or question given. Okay. So let's calculate. First, you have to find out the modal class. Okay. So the question, let me write the question first. The question is like this: class 0 to 20, and the frequency is 6. Again, 20 to 40, the frequency is 8. 40 to 60, the frequency is 10. 60 to 80, the frequency is 12. Again, 80 to 100, the frequency is 6, and 100 to 120, the frequency is 5. This is the question. We have to find out the mode for this question. The question is in horizontal line. I have written in vertical line to calculate it separately. Okay. So what to do? Okay. So what is the highest frequency? This one is highest frequency. So by seeing the highest frequency, we have got the modal class 60 to 80. Okay. How I can choose? How I found that this will be the modal class? By seeing the frequency table, and I got the most highest frequency 12. That's why the modal class is equal to 60 to 80. That means L is L1 or L is 60. Okay. This is L1, it is L2. Okay. Now what will be the F1? What is F1? This is the F1. Okay. F1 will be the frequency of the modal class itself. What is F0? F0 is the frequency of the previous modal class frequency previous to the modal class frequency previous to the modal class frequency. This is 10. Okay. What is F2? F2 is just succeeding frequency. This is the preceding frequency and the succeeding frequency of the modal class. That is 6. Okay. Okay. Now you have to calculate this one with some by taking the value by in the formula. So what is the mode? Mode will be L1 is 60 plus what is F1? 12. Okay. Minus F0 10 by 2F1, 2 into F1 12 minus F0 10 minus F2 6. Okay. Just you have to remember the formula, and you have to decide which data will be taken for F1, F0 and F2. Okay. So first take the highest frequency C and the class interval which will be represent the highest frequency will be the modal class. The lower limit will be the L. Okay. And the frequency of the modal class will be the what? F1. The preceding frequency of the modal class will be the F0, and the succeeding frequency of modal class will be the F2. Just put the data in the formula and just calculate it. It is very easy. Just remember the formula and the F1, F0, F2 data. Okay. 12 minus 10 will be 2, and this will be 12 2 ja 24 minus 60. Okay. 60 plus 2 by how much? 2 by 8. 60 plus 1 by 4. 60 plus 0.25. That means 60.25. Okay. So this gives rise to your answer in a very short time. Okay. Should you go for another number, or should we stop here? So we'll discuss in our next video with some more numbers. Till then, bye and enjoy your math. Thank you.